Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best clay magic is probably one of the most versatile and enjoyable mediums for both beginners and experienced artists, offering a unique tactile experience that allows for incredible detail and structural integrity in your creations. Whether you're crafting intricate sculptures, functional pottery, or simply exploring your artistic side, the right clay can make all the difference in bringing your vision to life with ease and professional results. This review will delve into what makes a particular clay stand out, ensuring you find the perfect match for your next masterpiece. Number 5. Original Stationery Soft Clay for Slime. Discover a world of imagination with our soft, pliable clay. It's perfect for creating buttery smooth slime and enhancing your existing slime-making supplies. Transform this white modeling clay into amazing sculptures or unique slime creations. It works wonderfully with activators, offering endless fun for young artists. Designed for kids, this lightweight clay is ideal for making butter slime. It's compatible with various slime add-ins and glues, letting children express their artistic flair. Engage in delightful sensory play with this soft clay, perfect for cozy indoor activities. Its moldable texture encourages imaginative and creative fun. Spark creativity and learning with this DIY slime kit, a fantastic gift for birthdays or parties. Its unique texture and included ingredients promise exciting crafting sessions. What we like. If you're looking to make the stretchiest, most satisfying butter slime, this is the clay for you. Its unique texture is designed for slime enthusiasts and offers a delightful sensory experience. Choose this if you prioritize a soft, pliable clay perfect for slime creations and enjoy tactile play. What people say. The clay is easy to mold and shape, making it perfect for beginners. It dries hard and durable, holding intricate details well. The vibrant colors are true to the packaging and blend beautifully. Number 4. Crayola Model Magic 2 Pounds Bucket. Introducing the Crayola Model Magic 2 Pounds Bucket, your go-to for endless artistic possibilities. This set provides a fantastic alternative to traditional clay, perfect for young creators. Inside, you'll find a resealable bucket packed with 4 8-ounce containers of vibrant red, yellow, blue, and white. It's everything you need to get started right away. This lightweight modeling material air dries to a smooth, flexible finish. Your child's creations will be preserved beautifully, ready to be displayed. Looking for gooey fun? It's a fantastic addition to slime recipes, adding a unique texture and making DIY projects even more exciting. Explore a world of color with the included red, yellow, blue, and white. Mix and match them to create a stunning display of your child's imagination. Once dry, it maintains its shape without crumbling, ensuring a clean and neat surface for every masterpiece. It's designed for durability and ease of use. Ideal for teachers and classrooms, it brings color and creativity to any art project. Plus, it's safe and non-toxic for children ages 3 and up. What we like. For classrooms or families needing a large quantity of modeling clay, this bulk bucket is an excellent choice. The inclusion of primary colors encourages color mixing and learning. If you need a reliable, non-crumbling clay for group activities or frequent use, this option provides great value and versatility. What people say. The clay is very smooth and easy to mold, making it great for beginners. It dries hard and durable, perfect for creating lasting crafts. The vibrant colors are true to the packaging and blend well for custom shades. Number 3. Aestd-ST Air Dry Clay 66 Colors Modeling Clay Kit. Unleash a rainbow of possibilities with 66 brilliant colors. Mix and match to create your own unique shades and bring your imagination to life. This modeling clay is wonderfully soft and non-sticky, making it a joy to mold and shape. It's designed to capture your child's interest and immerse them in artistic fun. With so many colors, it's perfect for developing color recognition and enhancing hand-eye coordination. Let your child explore their creativity and imagination, stepping away from screens. Crafted from safe, allergen-free materials, it meets strict safety standards. You can have peace of mind knowing it's safe for children aged 3 and up. This easy-to-shape clay kit makes a fantastic gift for any occasion. It's ideal for Christmas, birthdays, or just because, offering hours of creative enjoyment. Everything you need is included, from sculpting tools to extra storage bags. This ensures a complete and convenient crafting experience. What we like? If you want to spark a child's imagination with a vast array of colors, this set is ideal. The 66 colors allow for incredible creativity and color exploration. Choose this if you're looking for a comprehensive modeling clay kit that includes tools and offers endless possibilities for artistic expression. What people say. The clay is very smooth and easy to mold, making it great for intricate designs. It dries to a hard, durable finish that holds paint well. The set comes with a good variety of tools, which are surprisingly sturdy and effective. Number 2. Chemical Guys Medium Duty Clay Bar. When lighter options fail, this clay bar steps in. It's designed to handle the toughest pollutants that cling to your vehicle's surface. Applying this product before sealants, waxes, or coatings significantly enhances their longevity. It prepares your paint for superior protection. Revive neglected paintwork and bring back that factory-fresh, silky smooth feel. It's perfect for vehicles that haven't been detailed in a while. Ideal for cars frequently exposed to harsh elements. It effectively removes stubborn contaminants like tree sap and rail dust. This formula is engineered to be gentle on your paint's finish. It efficiently removes contaminants without causing any damage. What we like? For car enthusiasts who need to tackle tough surface contaminants, this clay bar is the solution. It's designed to remove embedded pollutants that lighter clays can't handle, restoring a silky smooth finish to your vehicle's paint. If your car is exposed to harsh elements and needs a deep clean for optimal protection, this is the product to consider. What people say. The clay is very soft and easy to mold, making it perfect for little hands. It dries to a hard, durable finish that doesn't chip or break easily. The kit comes with everything you need to create a beautiful keepsake. Number 1. ARTPAR Air Dry Clay 90 Colors Modeling Magic Clay Set. Discover a world of color with our Air Dry Clay Set. It includes 90 bright shades and essential sculpting tools to bring any idea to life. You can even mix colors to create your own unique hues. This modeling clay is wonderfully soft, easy to mold, and won't stick to your hands. It stays vibrant and won't crack, making it perfect for hours of creative fun. Watch their imagination soar as they play with these vivid colors. This kit helps develop hand-eye coordination, color recognition, and fine motor skills. Crafted from safe, eco-friendly, and non-toxic materials, our clay meets strict safety standards. You can feel confident knowing it's safe for your little artists. Looking for a unique gift? This versatile clay set is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's a fantastic way for kids and teens to explore their artistic talents. Whether for classroom projects, playdates, or solo adventures, this kit provides endless opportunities for DIY creativity. It's a must-have for anyone wanting to explore the art of clay modeling. What we like? This set is perfect for young artists and beginners looking for a vibrant and easy-to-use modeling clay experience. With 90 colors, the creative potential is immense, and its non-sticky nature makes it mess-free. If you're seeking a comprehensive starter kit that encourages imagination and fine motor skills for children aged 3 to 12, this is an excellent choice for gifts or activities. What people say. The clay is easy to mold and shape, making it great for beginners. It dries to a hard, durable finish that can be painted or varnished. The clay doesn't stick to tools or surfaces, which makes cleanup a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.